What's up mga kachong-kachang? Ako po si Salvi and this is ToolTech and Gadget. And welcome sa bagong serye ng ating unboxing, which later on gagawin natin ng demo and review. So, check natin. Then, first time, ding. Quating! So, as usual, meron tayong manual. Okay. And then, yung battery. Parang kumalog-kalog na siya sa loob. Yung adapter niya. Gaan. And then, meron siyang mga accessories. Check natin siya mamaya. And then, the drill itself. Yung trim and finish niya is quite impressive para sa for the price. And yung emboss and engrave niya is very much detailed. The chuck is made of light plastic, I think. Ito plastic din, pero better plastic material compared sa dito sa chuck. And this part, para siyang rubber. Meron siyang rubber material. So, hindi siya pure plastic. Itong gray part na to. Tight and snug din yung clutch collar or yung torque selector nya. Wala siyang parang loose part. And then itong mode selector nya, ganun din. Tight and snug din. Check natin yung battery. Okay, so huwag kayong ma-confuse dito. 48BF mod. I think this is the model. And ang voltage and amperage rating niya is 21 volts, 2.0 amp hour. So, meaning kaya niyang mag-load and discharge ng 2 amperes within an hour or sa loob ng isang oras. Well, depende pa rin yan sa paggamit. Fully charged pala siya. So, yung kanyang reverse and forward selector. Yung middle position niya is lock. So, magandang safety feature yan. Gear selector. Fully functional din. And napaka-responsive ng trigger niya. Check natin yung motor. As you can see, wala tayong nakikitang spark. So, isa yan sa characteristic ng brushless motor. Yung spark kasi ang nagkakos nun is yung brush making contact sa commutator. Kaya nagkakaroon ng spark. In this case, since brushless siya, wala tayong makikitang spark. Okay, so ito yung ating drill and tingnan naman natin yung performance niya. Okay mga kachong-kachang, yun yung ating test demo. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. Una yung pros. Now this is a brushless motor. Ang advantage nito is that less maintenance and more power. For the price, this is really a bang for the buck. Second is yung rubber material niya dito sa handle. It provides excellent grip for better handling, so madali siyang gamitin. Third pro is that this is lightweight and compact, even if the battery is attached. Magaan pa rin siya, and sa compact size, madali siyang gamitin even if you're working with minimal or small spaces. Okay, let's now go to the con. So far, isa lang naman ang nakita kong problema dito, and that is the release and lock button. So, pag pinrest nyo to ng sagad, the lock gets stuck. And kailangan nyo siyang sungkitin to pop it back into place. So, be careful pagka pinipress nyo siya. So, slight lang, enough lang na ma-release yung lock. Otherwise, mag-i-stuck siya dun sa loob. Okay mga kachong-kachang, that would be all for the demo and test review of the Nanwei cordless drill. If you like the video, please hit like and subscribe button and isama nyo na rin yung notification bell sa baba para updated kayo sa mga latest video natin. Alright? Rock and roll!